Hello and a very warm welcome to this Expedition 2 Academy training session. In this tutorial we'll be having a look at navigating around the screen, so let's dive in. So I'm going to start here. I'm already logged in with a premium account. If you've not looked at how to do the logging in procedure, then go and check out the videos on that section because we won't be covering that here. We're assuming that you've already done all that and we're already in the system and we're ready to have a look around and see how it all works. So here we are, we're presented with the basic Expedition 2 page. As you can see, we've got the map area in the middle, and Expedition 2 is very much focused on making sure that the map is where the focus is. On that grounds, you can get rid of all the tools as well if you wish by clicking on this little spinner here. And you can pan around just by using your mouse, or if you're on a touch screen, you can do it just by using your finger. Okay. We can bring in the tools, and here are the various tools that are available to us for use on the maps. We can also bring in the bottom bar, which has some information which will get filled in once we've loaded up a route of some kind. In addition to that, we have some information down in the footer bar here. So you'll see that we've got location information, zoom level information, and the map tiles that we're on. So I'm going to perhaps select Ordnance Survey like this. And there's the Ordnance Survey map for this area. I can zoom in and out using the plus and minus buttons here. Alternatively, I can, if I zoom right out and I want to do a big zoom all the way into the Western Isles of Scotland here, if I hold the shift key down on the keyboard, I can drag a little lasso box around an area, and Expedition 2 will zoom straight into there nice and quickly for us. Okay, so there we have it. I'm going to open a route now. In my account here, I've got a little route here that I have created around Loch Gollyhead up in Scotland. And here's my route, and you'll see that Expedition 2 has automatically zoomed and centered the route into the mapping area. And now you'll see that we've got an elevation profile that's loaded up. And indeed, if I open up the footer bar here, I'll now get a bigger version of that, as well as some other information about ascents, descents, and overall length. Once again, I can lasso a section of this, and Expedition 2 will zoom straight in on it so that I can see the detail. Okay. Furthermore, I can then close these routes, clear them off the map by clicking the clear button. And now I'm back to just the plain map. Okay. I can clear out all these tools as well if I wish. So if I reopen my route, once again, I can now focus purely on the actual route planning itself and not worry about all the tools taking up screen space for me. It's particularly useful if you're working on a smaller device such as a tablet or maybe even a phone. You can use Expedition 2 to plan routes on phones. Okay, so that covers basic navigation of the system. So we hope you enjoyed this training session and found it useful. You can find further titles in the series on academy.expedition2.com or by following the Academy link on the Expedition 2 homepage. And we look forward to joining you in the next tutorial.